On the record, State of Michigan versus William Asper, 2300546 SM. And you are William Asper joining me by video, is that right?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, William Asper, defendant. Well,
right.
Case, yes.
All right, Mr. Asper, you're here for a show cause hearing. Back in May of 2024, you were released from your probation, but you still had a balance of fines and costs. And it's my understanding we need to set up a payment plan on that. Is there a payment plan that you believe would be adequate that you could afford to stick to?
So, good morning, Your Honor. So I had spoken to, I'm not sure what office it was. I don't believe I have any funds to make any sort of payment plans. As I think I said to the court, I am a trustee of an account. I have to pay mortgages, and every month, that account, because of repairs and whatnot of properties, has been in the negative. So I don't have any access to put towards this. As well as what I told the clerk is, since back then, I have a son now, who was born with some a genetic condition. I'll put it. And I mean, it takes my time up. Obviously, there's more money involved, but I don't have any ability to make any payments, Your Honor.
So you need to provide to the court adequate proof of your income and debts in order to prove that you do not have the ability to pay. Otherwise, I do have to continue to attempt to collect this money. What I'm willing to do today is to adjourn this a month to give you time to collect your documents and or consider what payment arrangement you can afford.
Okay, so Your Honor, I have my trustee thing, but I don't take an income from it. So as far as income coming in, I don't have any. So it's zero right off the board.
If you're not disabled and unable to work, then you have the ability to work and earn. So that's not going to be an adequate answer.
So I had a question. So there was some recent Michigan Supreme Court case law, and since the probation has been terminated, I don't understand what jurisdiction this court has.
It's actually quite the opposite. The Michigan court has determined that in order for you not to have to stay on probation until it's paid, that we retain authority to collect the money after probation. The alternative would be, which they decided they don't want to do, is keep people on probation until the money's paid. So I retain jurisdiction to collect the money. That's my jurisdiction.
Your Honor, that's not a jurisdiction. I was off probation. That only applies to if I have an ability to pay, which I don't.
Yes, and I'm telling you, I'm adjourning this 30 days for you to provide proof to the court in person of your assets.
Your Honor, I can't go. I don't have a vehicle, Your Honor. I'm not going to be in person. I'm not going to be in person. I have to take care of my child. I don't have a vehicle.
You will come in person, or you will have a bench warrant. That's how this
fine,
works.
Your Honor. I don't have a way up there. I don't have a vehicle. I have not had a vehicle since November.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and schedule this, and you'll make your choice. If you're not here, I'll issue a bench warrant. This is set for July 29th.
I'm not showing up in person. I don't have the ability. What email address to send my paperwork to? This is why there's Zoom.
No, so Zoom is in my discretion. And so I do not have to allow a hearing to occur in Zoom. If you want to email records to the court, you can do that. It's Judge Buchanan Courtroom at lansingmi.gov, and I will review whatever documents you submit. But I'm still scheduling this for an in-person proceeding July 29 at 11.
Here, let me get it before we cut out. Judge Buchanan Courtroom
at Lansing, MI as in Michigan, mi.gov.
lansingmi.gov. Okay.
Correct. Okay. And we'll mail you a notice for that July 29th date. You're all set for today.
Have a good day, Aaron. Bye.